Hello guys, so today we are here to show you this beautiful property behind me. Just so you have an idea where we are, we're located in East Orlando, Litchfield, Florida. So if you have an idea, we are really close to Lake Nona. We're approximately 20 to 25 minutes from Lake Nona, 30 minutes to downtown Orlando, and we're very close to Cocoa Beach if that's something that you want it to be, like around 45 minutes or so. Now, the good thing about this area is that you're gonna get oversized lots. Now, you could get really beautiful properties in 1 acre lots or bigger, and no HOA, which is a very good plus over here as well. The property behind me that we're going to be looking at, this is going to be a 4-bedroom 2-bath, and it's approximately 2,297 square feet inside. Very nice property, and it has a very cool feature that not a lot of builders actually put, but you have access from your master bedroom, from the master bedroom closet to the laundry. And I had a client from up north that they were looking for something like that, so this is something that they have like that. So it's very nice property, because they actually thought about a lot of stuff. They also already including your mailbox, where in some of these areas they don't include that, but you have that option. So come with me, let me show you this property. This is again a 4-bedroom 2-bath, 2,297 square feet, and it also has an office space. So it has a den with an office space. You could also convert it into another bedroom and have a 5th bedroom. Now it has a very nice cover lanai, very spacious cover lanai, and then we are sitting in 1 acre lot. Definitely very nice area. So come with me and let's show you this beautiful property. Alright guys, so we finished washing this beautiful property. Now again, we are sitting in around 1 acre lot. So if you see behind me, this is around 1 acre lot right behind as well. Now for this property, you could get something like this. This is right now price point at $675,000. Now if you interested in this property or any other, just give me a call to the number below, and we could definitely love to show you this property in private, give you a private showing, or show you any other properties here in the Litchfield area. Now the good thing about this properties here or in all this area is that again, no HOA, and you get to have 1 acre lots close to everything. If you want to be close to Orlando, want to be close to the airport, but want to have that privacy and the freedom of doing whatever you want with your property, this is a perfect area for you. Alrighty, so then thank you for watching, and stick around because there's more videos coming up soon on videos here in new construction here in the state of Florida, in Central Florida. Alrighty, see you in the next one.